Hi, it's Ellie here with the HD Florida Riding Academy here at Brandon Harley-Davidson, and today I'm going to teach you how to pick up a motorcycle. Oops. All right, so I dropped my motorcycle. The first thing you want to do is assess yourself. Make sure that there's no scratches, bruises, bumps on yourself. Make sure that you are capable of picking up a motorcycle. I just want to go over and say that not everyone can physically pick up a motorcycle. So if you feel that it's not for you, please find somebody to help you do it and get in a safe area in the meantime. So if you feel like you cannot pick up your motorcycle, even if you are picking it up or not, you always want to make sure that the engine is turned off. So you can either hit your engine cutoff switch or just turn the key off. You also want to make sure that the motorcycle is in first gear. It is in gear because when you're picking up the bike, you don't want it to roll away from you. Now at that point, if you don't feel like you can pick it up, that's when you would get to a safe place and wait for help. Now, if you feel like you are capable of picking up a motorcycle, we'll move to the next steps. So if you are on sandy or dirt ground, you want to make sure that you're going to get your feet placed really deep in there. So you're going to really get your feet into the ground to make sure that you're on a place where you're not going to slide. Now, if you feel like you are going to slide, just dig your heels way deeper into the ground. Right now, we happen to be on pavement, which is a little bit easier for us. So you want to remember that you're looking for somewhere to grab on the motorcycle that's not hot. On this motorcycle, there happens to be a safety bar. Some people might want to reach for their back fender, which is fine too, but you don't ever want to reach where there's an engine or somewhere that it's hot or a pipe. Do remember, guys, that this is the hard side of the motorcycle to pick it up on because the side stand is here. It would be easy to just flip the side stand and then lift the motorcycle up. But in this case, we are on the harder side, so I want to show you guys it is possible to pick it up. So I am going to grab it on its handlebar here, where it is sturdy, where I know I can physically hold it, and I want to make sure that I'm grabbing here with this hand. Now, you're not going to be picking up the motorcycle with the upper part of your body. You're going to be using all legs, and that's why I'm in the seating position. So I'm physically sitting with my behind on the actual seat. You want to make sure that your back is straight. It's super important because you could physically hurt yourself doing this if you don't keep your back straight. A lot of people will attempt to pick up the motorcycle like this with their back hunched over, and you could hurt yourself. The easiest way to do it, grab the spot that you want to grab, keep your back straight, look up. As you are looking up, slowly walk the motorcycle up with your legs. Now that you've got it to this point, you want to turn and make sure that both hands are on the handlebars. Turn the handlebars straight, side stand down, and put the bike down. And it's as simple as that.